Multi-purpose towels from Softees are our trademarked microfiber towels designed for salons, spas and barbershops. Also great for a variety of personal uses including at home or the gym and general purpose cleaning. High-performance microfiber. The soft, friction-free material is gentle and non-abrasive on fragile wet hair and skin. This lightweight towel dries 3 times faster than cotton and is lint-free, making it ideal for nail salons and services. The fabric weight is 2.1 pounds per dozen. Ultra-durable. Softees withstand frequent machine washing and last up to 6 times longer than cotton towels. Dries hair faster. When using Fromm Softees as a hair wrap turban on wet hair, it absorbs water quickly, which means less blow-drying time and less heat damage to hair. Convenient size. The towels each measure 16 wide x 29 long and come in a pack of 10 towels. Top reviews from the United States. I love these towels. My purpose for purchasing them is because I am often on stage. I am stage manager for my church and needed some small dark towels I could use to clean up needed areas of the stage while the service is going on. Black towels are a must as they do not draw attention. These towels are bath towel size and soft enough to clean TV monitors, plexiglass surfaces without scratching the surface. Also great for just cleaning your hands and face if needed. I have used them to clean sweat from my forehead as well, when giving a presentation. Being as large as they are, you can clean up big spills, and I have often just had one hanging out of my back pocket so it was available if needed. I keep a couple in my backpack and one in my car as well. Just all around great towels. And they do not lose absorbency after a wash. I will defiantly be purchasing more.